Hello everybody, this is Dr. Aman Singh live today again on your YouTube channel. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे that how you can use your endomotor in implantology. So this is the normal screwdriver available with any implant system. This is the latch type and this is our endomotor. This is a normal endomotor, nothing special about this. So you are putting the screwdriver in it. This has a latch system, so it works with any endomotor. Now selecting the program is very important. Select a program where you have a clockwise motion without auto reverse. Like in this endomotor we have this at program number 5. This is our normal cover screw which we are going to place in the implant which we have already placed. So this is especially very useful in the cases where your fingers cannot reach. It holds the screw very easily, so this is how it's done. Hey, so this is Dr. Aman signing off. So if you like the video, do subscribe our YouTube channel or follow on Instagram. Thank you. Bye bye.